guys, hi, yo, it's Chloe with the Flow. I kind of want to bring it back. Yo, it's Chloe with the Flow, and today we are here doing another tiny food video. Do you like these? I don't know. I'm gonna do them anyway. So a few weeks ago, I did a video where I made tiny food. I really loved it. I thought the tiny food was so cute, but I thought, how could we make this video a little bit more fun? How could we switch it up? So I decided to go about a normal day in my life, but instead of eating regular meals, I'm only gonna eat tiny food. Just a little disclaimer, I don't recommend this, obviously. I hope I'm not gonna be hungry. I hope I'm gonna be fulfilled, but we'll see. And for today's 10-second challenge, I want you guys to give this video a like, turn on my notifications, subscribe if you're not already, and if you're not subscribed, like, what are you doing? Subscribe. And comment your age using only letters, so no numbers, in the time it takes me to attempt to draw a tiara on the screen. I love those like Disney things when they're trying to draw the little Disney thing. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna see how I do. You're watching Chloe Couture. I'm actually nervous for today. Like, I'm already hungry. All the meals are tiny meals. Oh my god. Okay, we'll see how I do. We'll see if I survive. This is a challenge, so let's get started. Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. This is actually gonna be an intense challenge. I'm already hungry. Every morning, I start off a nice cup of coffee. So let's start off the day right. It's one of those mornings. Okay, good old cup of coffee. Woo, I feel awake. Now we're gonna make breakfast. This is the most important meal of the day, even if it's tiny. We're gonna make some eggs and pancakes. And since I'm a human being who needs food to survive, we're going to basically make tiny food that like equals the amount of a normal breakfast. So I'm gonna have to make 100 eggs to fulfill me. But you know what? That's what I do for you guys. Guys, this really has no purpose right now, but I bought these little like jams and they come with little labels. So there's like a tiny Nutella label. I'm just gonna do this for you because I feel like it's gonna be satisfying. First, we're gonna start with eggs. These have no purpose to the video again, but they are satisfying. But these are the real guys. Time to turn on the stove. That pan is heating up. So we need to get some butter and butter the pan. There we go. Okay, so in a typical breakfast, I feel like I'd normally have like 2 eggs. So we're gonna make 2 eggs worth of tiny eggs. It's so dumb that you wanna watch. You're like, what's she gonna do? I'm taking this little makeup dropper. Here we go. Just love the smell of breakfast in the morning. All right, looks like our egg is ready. So we're gonna plate it. I'm actually so hungry. Trying to rush through this so I can eat this. It's not gonna fulfill me. Here we go. Time to make pancakes. Alright guys, while this is cooking, we're gonna do a little poll right now. It could be on this side and I could look like an idiot, but I think it might be your side. Are you a breakfast food person or just like lunch, dinner food person? Because I'm personally the type of person who could like eat lunch, dinner food for breakfast, pizza, or like noodles. I like that food for breakfast. And then there's some people who like would rather eat breakfast for dinner. Let me know, I'm curious. Back to the pancake. I think it's ready for flipping. Woo! Look at her doing backflips all day. You're a star. Guys, I just got a little cup for the syrup thing and I literally don't know where it went. Blend it in. Okay. Don't tell Adeline this is her syrup. Literally every food video I do, Adeline comments on it and is like, is that my food? It never is. I always go out and buy food. This is her syrup. Hi Adeline if you're watching. Where's the spatula? Oh, here we go. Pancake is ready to be plated. That's an ugly looking pancake. Let's put a little syrup on that. I am starving. I want to eat my breakfast. All right everyone, the moment we've been waiting for. It is time to eat my breakfast. Let's start with the egg. Does this fork actually work? Egg. Let's eat the other one. Yes, that is an egg. I feel like I need to be eating slower. Like this is my meal. I know this is not healthy and this is not how big of a meal I should be eating. So I'm gonna make a bigger breakfast. feel like I'm cooking breakfast for a small village right now. That's really just one giant. Breakfast is served. I have about 50 pancakes, 30 eggs. Never thought I'd be eating a breakfast that big. We are going to put a little bit of syrup on this. Here we go. This is like 10 pancakes. Oh my god, that's so good. I am a chef, wow. Let's eat some eggs. Nice. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. Like, this is like satisfying me in a very weird way. 6 pancakes at once. But I'm a giant. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish my breakfast here. We're gonna speed it up a little. All right, guys, last pancake. And the last egg. I'm eating it! I actually feel like decently full, which I'm very surprised. I wouldn't say I'm like, oh my god, that was an amazing full breakfast, but I feel fine. She's gonna be excited, or she's gonna be weirded out. Adeline, are you busy? I have a little surprise for you. It's breakfast in bed!
Wow, what if I go?
Pour the syrup on the pancakes. Oh, I hope you don't mind I use some of your syrup.
I know, this
Canadian maple syrup.
slowly will get there. Yay! Where's the knife? I can't eat pancakes without a knife.
What?
Okay. Did you eat it already?
Yeah. Interesting.
Eggs taste like paper.
Oh my god, Adeline.
It was really good. It was really good. It was really good.
I spent like 2 hours on this. What do you think of my creation?
It's très bon.
I don't know what that means.
Very good.
Thanks. Okay, bye.
I'll not clear that up.
Update, it's been a few hours. I am definitely ready for my next meal. I'm not really feeling like making it right now because breakfast took an hour to cook, but you know what? That's what you gotta do, okay? I'm doing okay. I'm surviving. Thriving. This is what thriving looks like. Let's go to the kitchen. Alright guys, for lunch we're making burgers. I'm super excited. I never eat burgers. I'm gonna chill here and make the tiny one, and I'm gonna have my producer Kalia go over there and make a bunch of tiny ones. This took way too long last time, okay? It's weird that making tiny food takes longer than making big food. It shouldn't be that way. Let's start her up. I have my meat. I literally just smushed it into a tiny little burger. I'm gonna throw it on the pan. I missed. Okay, there you go. This is gonna be a good burger. Okay, while that one little tiny one's cooking, I'm gonna make a few more over here. I'm just gonna make them like a tiny bit bigger because I'm a growing girl, okay? I need a bigger burger. It's cooking. I feel like SpongeBob. I need my spatula to flip my crab pan. Time to flip. She's cooking. That's the cutest little burger I've ever seen. That's so cute. We made that with a candle, people. This just shows that anyone can be a top chef. You don't need a fancy stove. You don't need a fancy oven. You just need a candle. We have our tiny little burgers prepared. Let's go cook them up. These are just so freaking cute. I'm just adoring my little baby burgers. This is a special moment that we're all having right here together. I keep losing my spatula. I don't know where it is at all. Oh, there it is. Underneath a piece of lettuce. Woo! Turn these down a little. It's all moving too fast. Let me put the cheese on. This makes me so happy. Like, they're so cute. This is pure joy. My burger looks like it's done. The cheese is all melted. So I'm making a little lettuce bun because that's what I would eat on a normal day. A little bottom piece of lettuce. Let's put the burger on there. I like ketchup on my burger. There we go. Here's our burger. Okay. Mmm. I don't know why I do this. It's like, obviously it's gonna taste good. All right, let's make 20 of these. Let's go. Yeah, do you want a burger? It's just really, really tiny. That's so cute. Let's go. No, this is all I'm eating today. This is my lunch. Last bite of my lunch. Woo! That was actually very filling. I feel like that was like a full burger. We're doing it. It is a few hours later. I'm still feeling okay. I went to a meeting, ran a few errands. I'm feeling a little hungry, so we're about to cook our third meal of the day. My friends texted me and asked me if I wanted to go out and get sushi, but I need to stay home and make my tiny meal. Dedication. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's go cook meal number 3. All right, guys, we're on to our third and final meal of the day. We're making some salmon with broccoli. I'm tired of making tiny food. I've been cooking all day. It's a hard job. Now we're gonna make our broccoli. So we're gonna attempt to boil water. If this starts boiling, I'm gonna freak out. I literally just spent a bunch of time like taking the tiny little tips off the broccoli. We have these like really, really mini broccolis. Look how cute that is. It's a tiny broccoli. Let's boil the broccoli. Time for my dinner. Woohoo! I'm gonna use a tiny knife and a tiny fork and cut a little bite. Delightful. Now time to eat the broccoli. It's tiny food. We knew it all along. That's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of this salmon. This looks so good. Let's make more of it. Guys, Kalia's getting mad at me because I said that I think it would be easy to swallow this fork. No, because you said you kind of want to. I just feel like it'd be like such a simple thing. She says, I kind of want to. Like, you guys see this thing? It's like smaller than a pill. It's like the weirdest thing I've ever heard. But I guess this wouldn't be good in my body. Like, that'd be a bad thing to have in my body. Oh, I guess. Like, I've only been eating tiny food today. I'm kind of going crazy. Okay, let's finish off this challenge strong. Imagine if I like invited a guy over for dinner. I'm like, I'm gonna cook you dinner. And then it was this. But just one of them, not like all of it. Adeline? Yeah? I made salmon if you want any.
Is it tiny salmon?
Possibly. It's always good to pace yourself when you're eating. So I'm gonna take things slow. How's your night tonight? We're doing a little tiny food mukbang. Comment below, let me know what you're eating. Ah, I dropped my fork. You know what I feel like right now? There's like these dog bowls people give to their dogs, like a bowl that makes it really hard to eat out of. It makes the dog eat slower because it's a challenge. That's what I'm doing right now. You can only eat so fast with a tiny fork. Last piece of salmon. Woohoo! Finished. Finally, for dessert, we are going to be making some cookies. You know when you're making cookies, like, and you eat cookie dough? I really want to do that. But I feel like I can only eat like a really tiny piece of cookie dough. Woo! Also, I didn't have a pan, so I just made this out of tin foil. Life hack if you're cooking tiny cookies. I don't know if you'll ever need that, but. Pop these bad boys in the oven. They're so cute. This is like the perfect finale. Wow. I haven't had a cookie in so long. Wait, I need a tiny glass of milk. This is how to end the night the right way. Cookies and milk. I'm They're actually really good. Okay, well that concludes all of my tiny food meals for the day. I might go eat like a real normal sized meal, so I feel kind of hungry. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my god, I can't believe I only ate tiny food for a day. That was really hard. I don't know why I did this. Like, that was a really dumb challenge, but that's what YouTube's all about. Make sure to check out the behind the scenes vlog I filmed for this video. I film behind the scenes of all my videos and just my life. I also just got a new studio and I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of decorating it and turning it into Chloe's Clubhouse. Make sure to subscribe to my vlog channel to see all of that. And I'm so excited for summer. I know summer's coming up for you guys soon. Get ready for summer videos. I'm gonna be uploading twice a week. Twice! 2 times. 2 times the Chloe. 2 times the flow. 2 times the glow. I'm gonna stop now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video at least a tiny bit. We need a laugh track going right now. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.